Hi, my name's Lee Cunningham. Welcome to Aston Martin HWM Walton-on-Thames in Surrey. Got the privilege of presenting this really gorgeous lightning silver 2021 model year DBS Superleggera Coupe. Really, I think the car speaks for itself. It's a really cool specification. For any sort of Aston Martin connoisseur, I really think it ticks all the boxes, to be honest with you. A lovely combination of the silver gloss package and also some of the features on the car, which we'll run through in this very short video. So fundamentally, it's got obviously carbon front splitter, which is a lovely contrast to the lightning silver paintwork. We've got the enamel script badging on the front. We've got the chrome Superleggera badges on the bonnet. This is complemented by the DBS badge on the bottom of the front wings. It's in exceptional condition. It's a really lovely car. It's covered just over 5,000 miles from new with full Aston Martin service history, and there really isn't any really marks or any damage on the car whatsoever. The wheels are in stunning condition. They're diamond turned and contrast with gloss black finish as well. A couple of other key elements on the external part of the car to point out. We've got privacy glass on the rear, also the carbon rear spoiler, carbon rear diffuser, and also smoked rear lenses. So the whole combination of the carbon, the gloss black and the smoked rear lenses, etc., really adds a very kind of what I call classic look to this car. So it's really one to cherish, and I do recommend, if you're interested in a DBS, it's worth coming to have a look at. We'll move on into the interior of the car and I'll just run you through some of the key features on that as well. So moving into the interior of the lightning silver DBS Superleggera Coupe, again, very cool specification in terms of the way this has been put together by the original owner. Fundamentally, the core of the interior is obsidian black leather throughout, which really contrasts, as I say, some of the black features externally. We've got a really lovely mixture of Alcantara and leather on the seats, which I think works very well. So in other words, that the areas that obviously take most of the wear are obviously Alcantara. That's contrasted with the side bolsters in leather, which is a really nice combination, and it gives it a very kind of sporty feel to the car, I think. In terms of the trim inlay, so that's inside the waterfall centre console, that's carbon, exposed carbon with a kind of satin finish to it. This is complemented by the satin chrome jewellery pack. So this is around the door handles, the speakers, around the vents, and it really just gives that, like I said, really kind of slightly aggressive, slightly sporty theme, but at the same time it really is in keeping with the character of this particular specification. Sports leather steering wheel, and as touched on before, the interior is in immaculate condition. It doesn't look like it's done any mileage at all, to be honest with you. So, as I said, just covered over 5,000 miles from new. They've ceased production of this particular variation of an Aston Martin now, so I do think this will become a little bit of a modern classic moving forward, and I think where we price this is very competitive in the marketplace, and it does represent a great opportunity for someone who's really interested in a brute in a suit, as we call it. So it's now advertised on our website. You can reserve it online for £99, and I really do recommend you make an appointment, come and see it and book a test drive.